Hello to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Akademixx. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. At Akademixx, we simplify complex academic concepts with clear explanation, visual aids, and real-life examples. This video is a tutorial of UpToDate, your trusted, evidence-based clinical decision support tool built by experts, used by professionals, and backed by evidence. UpToDate is available on desktop and as a mobile app for on-the-go reference. Let's explore how to use it efficiently for patient care and learning. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of using the UpToDate database so you can get the most out of your subscription from day 1. I will first log in my UpToDate account which I purchased from the UpToDate. Here it's my details. Then I will click sign in. So it's logged in. The home page features a powerful search bar, as you can see on the top. So begin by typing a keyword, condition, drug, procedure into the search bar. Let's try searching hypertension in pregnancy. As you type, UpToDate suggests related topics in real time. Click on your topic of interest to access expert-reviewed evidence-based content. I am clicking on the first topic. Each topic page is divided into easy-to-navigate sections, including summary and recommendations, references, and graphics. The summary and recommendation tab is great for quick decision making at the point of care. Now we will see some other features of UpToDate. It's the homepage of UpToDate. As you can see, the drug interaction in your prescription. Here you can see the results. It shows the interaction between these two drugs with all the details mentioned. Moving to the other feature, which is calculator. It includes most of the calculators we commonly use in different specialty. You can search it by specialty category, and also you can check alphabetically. I'm now checking alphabetically. I'm now checking the AppGuard score. Here is. So this is the calculator for AppGuard score in newborns. Also on the left side, you can see the practice changes guidelines. All the practice changes updates will appear on your home screen with the date and year. And below the practice changes updates, you can see the what's new feature, and you can see what's new by any specialty. Like I'm checking for dermatology specialty. Here you can see the new update studies, new drug approvals, new researches here. Okay. On the right side of this sign out option, these three lines tab, once you click, it shows you the tools contents. So here you can also from here you can also check drug interactions, calculators, UpToDate pathway. Yeah, it's this feature is only available in UpToDate Advanced, not in the basic version. Here you can see it includes the pathways by specialties and also alphabetically. So pathway is just like a management plan, treatment plan, like what will be the first line, what will be the second line. If the second line of therapy not works, then what will be third, and if third works, then for how long it should be continued. So here in contents, you can see practice changes updates, what's new section. If I'm clicking on this what's new, then you can see, you can check here also what's new by specialties. Here you can also check patient education, patient counseling data. Here you can also check the lab interpretation. Yes, this is also only included in the advanced subscription, not in the basic one. So here you can see all the labs. And yes, you can also see the drug information here. But for drugs, there's also another subscription which is named LexiDrug. But LexiDrug is only focused on the drugs related information, while UpToDate is a complete database for the clinicians providing clinical care. Here you can also check topics by specialty category. Here you will find almost all the specialties, starting from allergy and immunology, general surgery, infectious disease, oncology, palliative care, psychiatry, rheumatology, and finally the authors and editors. You can see the details of the authors and editors for relevant specialties here. Here is the list of all the editors. There are about 7,400 editors on board with UpToDate, which looks like unbelievable. So that's all for UpToDate. If you find any ambiguity, any confusion, you can contact on my WhatsApp, which is also added in the description, and you can also contact me for the UpToDate advanced subscription details. And with UpToDate, you don't just stay informed, you stay ahead. Explore it, trust it, and use it. Thank you very much.